Rats and mice are common pests that invade indoors throughout the year. One hotspot for rodent invasions is the garage. Garages are ideal places for rats and mice to hide, with access to toolboxes, workbenches, and storage boxes. Even organized garage spaces can be prone to infestation, so in this video, we'll review some signs of rodent activity in your garage and show you how to get rid of them. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about rats and mice, click the icon in the top right of the screen, or click the link in the description below. Before you start any pest control, you'll need to make sure you're actually dealing with rats or mice, as the wrong identification can lead you to use the wrong control methods and products. You can identify what rat or mouse you're infested with just by observing the shape of their droppings. Droppings less than a quarter inch belong to a mouse, while anything larger suggests you have rats. Norway rat droppings have blunt ends and measure to about 3/4 of an inch in length. Roof rat droppings have pointed ends and measure up to half an inch in length. Scratch marks or holes left behind by rats or mice can be easy to spot. Rodents must chew on various materials to maintain their teeth's size and sharpness. Commonly non-materials and objects include wall insulation, wiring, mowers, cars, pet food, plastic bags, bird or grass seed, cardboard, and furniture. Rodent nests in garages are typically found in warm spaces like within the walls, behind appliances like a washing machine, inside of furniture, or in idle machinery. Mouse or rat nests can be made of a variety of materials including paper, cloth, fiber, leaves, grass, and other materials. These nests are usually bundled together with no real structure. Additional signs of rodent activity include foul, musky odors, and scratching sounds or thumping, typically at night. Rodents create waste wherever they travel, and they're also nocturnal, resulting in most of their activity taking place when people are usually asleep. Once you've confirmed rodent activity in your garage, it's time to take action. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE. We recommend you wear gloves in order to keep your human scent off any of the products. First, make your garage less conducive to rodent activity. Seal away any pet food or bird seed into airtight plastic containers, as well as any other food in cardboard or paper packaging. Clean and organize your garage by removing items from the floor and onto shelves away from any rodent's reach. If you keep firewood in the garage, it will need to be stacked and stored as far away from your home as possible. Finally, make sure your vehicle or any other stored machinery stays clear of any plant or food residues. Once the garage is cleaned, look around the perimeter of your home and seal any entry points you may find. Rats and mice are able to fit through small openings and chew their way into our homes. Rats can fit through gaps as small as a quarter, while mice can fit through holes as small as a dime. Any tight cracks can be sealed with caulk, and larger voids must be stuffed with copper mesh. Ensure your garage door creates a tight seal when closed all the way. Any spacing will need to be corrected with a door sweep or a door threshold. Once your building and garage's entry points have been addressed, start control by setting up snap traps. We recommend the solutions Easy Set Rat Trap and Easy Set Mouse Trap. The Easy Set snap traps offer a more reliable and sanitary way to eliminate rodents. The design makes it safer to set, reduces the chances of snapping a finger, and allows you to release a rodent from the trap without touching it. In addition to snap traps, you'll also need to set up bait stations outside of your garage. This will help control rodents outside before they can invade. We recommend you use the Solutions Rat and Mouse Bait Station, baited with Eratication rodent bait. Eratication is a slow-killing rodenticide that prevents a rodent population from developing bait shyness. Load a station with up to 4 eradication blocks, depending on the pest that you're controlling, and set the station flush against the exterior of your garage, near the door or along the side of the building. We recommend you set up multiple stations 20 to 40 feet apart. Check the stations once a day to replenish any bait until rodent activity ceases. After setting up traps and bait, it may take up to 2 weeks to see a noticeable reduction in pest activity. The garage is one of many harborages that rats or mice will try to take advantage of, but with these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop rodents from invading your property, and we offer fast and free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.